Have you ever heard about the Niger Delta region of Nigeria? This is the area where crude oil was found in Nigeria. So because of this, there is a lot of industrial activities down in this region to mine crude oil before it is converted to useful products like petrol and kerosene. But do you know that this region experienced a lot of pollution? Because of the petroleum in this region, industries that are involved in mining petroleum are concentrated in this area, and the activity leads to a lot of pollution. Air pollution from gaseous substances from machines, water pollution from the release of toxic waste, and even land pollution resulting from oil spillage. And do you know what happens because of this? People in this area cannot cope and have to move to the city where there is less industrial activity. There will be increase in unemployment when there are no jobs and people are unable to farm due to pollution, leading to an increase in crime rates such as stealing and armed robbery. So these are the disadvantages of localization of industries. Trust you had fun learning in this lesson. See you in the next class.